Line 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go for qualification match number 17. It is autonomous, and the Red Alliance able to put one up on the top branch for an extra 7 points. Everybody's away from the line. Blue Alliance is also away from the line to be able to put some coral up on the reef. With a couple of those, it's a pretty tight match as we move into teleop. 2-3 points separate the two alliances. That'll lose from 1369, and Minotaur able to take a stretch out to put that algae up into the net as they're ready to do it again. Pick off the algae off of the reef, take it back over to the net. Oh, just short and off of the barge and back into the field of play. Blue Alliance is doing fine as radioactive roaches are able to line up, but that piece of coral falls off short. Same happens for their partner in the bonds in Bubble 07. Meanwhile, the third Blue Alliance robot is taking some time to go over to the coral station, pick up just a bit more. They'll be getting that piece of coral shortly with a little bit of help as it's loaded up. Miss one, miss two. Meanwhile, their partner is able to put a piece of algae into the processor. That goes up and in to the net above the barge. Blue Alliance doing a nice job on loading up branch number 4. That's worth the most points, 72 inches off of the playing floor. Red Alliance able to do the same. Looks like they've got close to a half a dozen pieces of coral up on that 4th level. They're looking to put in more as we have a Blue Alliance lead with 45 seconds to play. Blue Alliance has done what they need to do for their competition. Red Alliance needs one more in order for that to be put into place, and there it is. Through the processor, algae through the processor. Grab a few more points by putting it up into the net with a little human assistance. 2 seconds left as we come down to the end game. Blue Alliance's KG radioactive roach is already there, already grabbing onto the cage, to the deep cage. That's going to be worth 12 if they're not touching the ground. Red Alliance does the same thing with the Innovators Robotics Sea Ranger already airborne. Match here at the Cintas Center. It's the Blue Alliance that wins the match. As predicted, 128-80 the final numbers. They'll pick up five ranking points. The Blue Alliance will, but the Red Alliance not bad either. They're able